right? So we'll protect your hands. Awesome. You got them on there? Okay, perfect. Very good. Excellent. You still want to help? Okay. All right, just checking. There's another thing. We have some birds like our Django back here. All right, now I know you didn't know there was going to be a test, but who can tell me what kind of bird Django is? You remember? Almost, all right. He's called an umbrella cockatoo, right? Remember? Because he gets his name from a characteristic. When he lifts the feathers up on his head, right, it looks like an umbrella, doesn't it? Lisa, he lifts those feathers way up. Show me umbrella. You know what? He's being a bad bird. Do you know what we do to the bad birds, Lisa? You watch. You ready? He's a very good bird with that beautiful umbrella. Atta boy, yes. Now listen, birds like Django, though, they have on them a powder. That powder, it keeps them dry in the wild. You see? See all that white? Well, you know what? If you have this bird in your house, that powder, oh boy, it gets everywhere. All over the furniture, all through the air. And you know what? It can make you cough and sneeze. Well, we don't want any coughing or sneezing today, do we? No, no, no. Well, there is something we can do. We are going to make Lisa look like the doctor. Let's give her a dust mask. See? Now, she won't breathe in the powder. Does that make sense? Right? Perfect. Excellent. All right. You still good? Still going to help? Just checking. There is another thing. Birds by nature are what we call territorial. You know what that means? Right, they're very protected. That means that if you try to walk back into their space, they're going to start screaming very loud. Lisa, they might even try and reach out and bite. Well, we don't want any screaming or biting, all right? We already got some screaming going on. Well, there is something we can do. We are going to make Lisa look like a bird. Let's give her some feathers. Hey, all right. See? Perfect. Now, if Lisa wanted to, boy, she could walk right back there and she'd be able to, well, she could, oh, wait a minute. I think we're missing something. Hold on 1 second. What you see here? Now we're good. Now, boy, Lisa could walk right back there and she would be able to, she could, man, you know, I think we need one more thing. One more thing, and then you can help me, okay? All right, one more thing. Let's see. There we go. Hey, does she look like a big bird now? All right. Very good. You see, now all the other birds, they say, hey, look, another bird come to visit and play with us. Awesome. Now you can help me, okay? All right, here we go. Lisa, I need you to hold this. You know what that is? That's a brush. Woo, they're smart too, huh? Over here, I have the pan. Now, the help I need today, over in my trailer, I have 10 messy, poopy bird cages need cleaned. What? What? You still want to help? Oh, she said yes. What a good girl you are. We're just teasing with you, Lisa. We're not going to have you cleaning poopy bird cages. But you know what we do like everyone to know? No matter what our pets are, they count on us and depend on us every single day for fresh food and water. And that is very special help. You wait right here. I have somebody I want you to meet, okay? Hold on. Here we go. That's my girl. I would like everyone to say hello to Alvy. Now, you see, we don't like to be like other bird shows where you might see them flying off in a distance or even behind bars and cages. You see, Lisa, we like to give everyone a nice, close look. Is that close enough? If she was any closer, she'd be behind you. You wait right here. Alvy is called the green-winged macaw. Again, they get their name from a characteristic of the green on their feathers. The greens blend into a variety of aquas and blues. These birds come from the South American rainforest, and their homes, boy, they're being destroyed every single day. And that's why it is so important that we teach our kids as well as our grandkids to take care of Mother Nature so these birds will continue to have a place to live. Right? These birds have very long noses. And their tails have what's called covert feathers. When they fly in the rainforest, they open up that tail and it acts like their rudder, allowing them to change direction, left, right, up, and down. These birds also have a very powerful beak. Hey, Lisa, where'd you go? Did you see that beak? That beak can exert a force of 750 pounds of pressure per square inch. Do you know what that means? That means it hurts. Now, if Alvy were flying through her rainforest and she needed a place to rest, she might want to stop and rest on the Lisa tree. Does the Lisa tree have a big branch sticking up? There we go. All right. You see, Alvy, she would fly right in, and she would land right there. Nice. Now, if Alvy wanted to, she could open up her beak, grab Lisa's arm, one bite, snap it right in half. You want to show us how she can do that? No, I don't think so. I never get anybody to volunteer for that portion of the show. I don't know why. Hey, we're going to see if we can make Lisa our bird trainer today. Will you be my bird trainer? Awesome. Very good. You hold on to Alvy's treat, and you show her you have her treat. Very good. Now, we're going to see if Alvy will show us big wings. You're going to show us the big wings today? What? Huh? What? Will you show Lisa the big wings today? What? My goodness. Is that a yes or a no? Oh, that's a no. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on one second. Let me see what's going on here. What's up? Huh? Oh, I almost forgot. She needs her signal. With your other hand, make a number 2. Number 2, there you go. Now, you hold that number 2 way up. That number 2 means big wings. on, Abby. And then big wings earlier. What do you think? There she goes. When she does get them open, I'd like everyone to notice she does have all of her feathers. One thing we just don't believe in is clipping a bird's wings and crippling them. All of our birds can and do fly when necessary. She's going to come down and get that peanut now. You ready? All right, let's get it, Albie. You ready? That's good. Good job, Lisa. Hold on 1 second. We have something for you. Hey, for being such a good helper, our friends at Lost Creek Mining have donated 1 gem pan for gems. It's right around the corner here, and you'll get some pretty cool stuff. You get to make a necklace and everything, all right? How about a big hand for Lisa, okay? That is girl, good job.